Was it more than attraction and a physical lust? Or loins by imagination, that first inconceivable touch that I was planning, I mean wishing. How embarrassed I'd been if you knew what I was thinking. And whoa, when it started, my first thought was love, not just lust. Cause when I heard you speak, I felt warm. In the evening I saw you, you were warming the bass up, your hair covered your face up. I was acting indifferent at the merch booth, putting on makeup. We met up at a party in a swamp on a yacht. Eyes from the helm, but we were docked. I crossed my fingers, but I didn't beg. Cause I knew you knew, cause I knew you knew I liked you. I knew you knew I liked you. I knew you knew it. But I figured desperate guys never had a chance with you. I figured desperate guys never had a chance with you.
Ringrazio tutti per essere venuti qua in questa occasione. Spero che stasera vi divertiate con me.